Okay, here we're at the top of the P4, and there's a passage going off here, and there's a very drafting passage going off up here. So that's the one we're aiming for. We now got about 150 meters. Okay, very good. And just above the C4 there's a small slot as well. We haven't looked into that. Okay, here we're looking into the big passage just beyond the sump. Now we're moving back. We put a traverse line because there's an ugly slide down into the sump. And across there we have the rope going up the pitch.